Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is RAZZI bin AMINUDDIN from class PEC 1104A1 for ECM367 Project and Construction Management for representing the abandoned project, which is PUTRAJAYA Monorail. Next, we move the overview of this presentation. The first one is introduction, application, chronology, reason by stakeholders, countermeasure, and conclusions. So for the introduction, the monorail system in Putrajaya, Malaysia is still under construction, although there has been very little advancement on the project since 2004. It was announced in 2020 that it will be finished by 2025. Light rail was initially intended for Putrajaya, but external work for the aforementioned system got underway. Plans were altered and a monorail design was chosen in its place. Two sublines were proposed. Line 1, a 12-kilometer monorail route with 17 stops, and Line 2, 6-kilometer monorail route with 6 stations. To restart the abandoned monorail project, the government suggests a new light rapid transit or LRT system in 2019. The Putra Mosque, the Education Ministry, the Putrajaya Hospital, the Putrajaya International Convention Center, the Alameda Shopping Center, the Precinct 9 and 14 were among the 26 stops that were scheduled. In order to provide public employees and tourists with a convenient way to travel across Putrajaya, 7 park and ride facilities were equipped to supplement the monorail service. The Express Rail Link ERL service, which ran from Kuala Lumpur, KL Central to the Sepang-based KL International Airport (KLIA), was also intended to be integrated with the monorail. The initiative serves to improve citywide mobility and give locals and visitors an easy way to get about. The project, however, ran into difficulties and roadblocks that ultimately forced its termination. So the first application, the first picture shows that Putrajaya monorail station that has been abandoned at Masjid Putra. The second one shows that a tunnel meant for usage of Putrajaya monorail is abandoned near Precinct 2. And the last picture shows that a rail use that has been left over a decade near Putrajaya Central. Next, I will continue to chronology. In 2004, the construction of Putrajaya monorail halted. 2011, a public consultation was held to gather feedback from the community on the proposed monorail system. In 2012 until 2015, a feasibility study was conducted to assess the viability of the project, including its potential roads, costs, and environmental impact. 2016 to 2017, the design and planning phase of the project commenced, which includes the preparation of details, engineering plan, and cost estimate. The government also explored potential funding sources for the project. For 2018, the government announced that the project will be put on hold due to funding constraints and the need to prioritize other infrastructure projects. At this point, the project had not progressed beyond the planning and initial stage. Reason. So the first reason why Putrajaya monorail is abandoned by other stakeholders is political change, government and policy perspective. Shift in transportation priorities. Government authorities might have reassessed transportation priorities and determine that other infrastructure projects or modes of transportation should take precedence over the monorail project. Changing political landscape. Political change or shift in policy in direction will have resulted in a change of support or emphasis on the monorail project. The next reason is funding constraint, financial perspective. The project might have faced challenges in securing adequate funding to cover the high costs of construction, maintenance, and operation. Transportation agencies might have determined that the benefit of the monorail system did not justify the projected expenses, leading to doubt about its financial viability. The last reason is public opposition. Local communities might have expressed concern over the potential noise, disruption, or negative impact on the surrounding environment associated with the monorail system. Some stakeholders, including residents or interest groups, might have preferred alternative transportation options such as bus network or improved road system over the monorail project. This is the countermeasure that will have prevent the abandon of this project. The first one is increase political will and support. The PUTRAJAYA monorail project might be given to top priority and it could have the required political backing to be successful. This might entail involving stakeholders, forming support network and raising public knowledge of the advantage of the initiative. The second one is secure funding. The government could explore various financing options to secure funding for the project, such as public-private partnership, international loans. By securing inadequate funding, the project could proceed as planned. The last countermeasure, address public opposition. The government may deal with any public objection to the proposal by having a productive conversation with the neighborhood residents and environmental organizations. This can be supplying further detail regarding the project advantage, responding to any concern about noise pollution or environmental damage. So for the conclusion of this project is, this abandoned project marks as significant setback in the construction of Putrajaya, Malaysia public transit system. The project was started with the intention of offering inhabitants and visitors to the planned metropolis an effective and practical form of transportation. The project was ultimately abandoned owing to a number of difficulties, including finance constraints, opposition from the general public, and also technical difficulties and problems that arose during the implementation phase. By increasing accessibility and mobility, easing traffic congestion, lowering air pollution, and promoting economic growth, this project might have a huge positive impact on the neighborhood, community, and economy. So that's all for my video presentation for ECM367 Project and Construction Management. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.